pick your weapon. Let me walk you through the process with one of mine. You're gonna need raritanium, but all you gotta do is pick one of them cells. These things chain together. Go ahead. Alright, just confirm the transaction and the deal's done. Hey, you surrounded a mystery cluster. That's all there is to it. Give it a... That's how it's done!
Holding his breath, our intrepid Lombax delves the depths of, deepness. Of course, Ratchet knew he'd have to surface to breathe.
What are these things? They appear to be amoeboids. According to my databanks, they were created by Drek Industries in order to assist the warbots.
Ratchet could not breathe underwater.
More bad guys. Get ready! Keep coming!
All enemies clear. Well done.
boy. Out of ammo.
You are very good at breaking things.
You know, Grim once said the same thing.
Big Al here. You've just collected your first holo card. You can earn single holo cards by defeating enemies. Or you can explore secret areas to find packs of 3. Your goal is to complete a whole set of holo cards.
This must be the way out.
Hey, you looking for some weapons? Step into my office. Actually, I ain't got no office. But I might get one if I make Salesman of the Month. Take your time. No, really. Oh, wicked. Now you're almost too powerful. Whoa, you're swimming in bolts. Time to spend some. Come and buy a pyrocitor. Oh, if I got something for you, you got a deal. Yeah, now go out and set the world on fire.
Look out!
Ratchet jumped and jumped and seriously, what's with all the jumping?
These darn Zug have jammed the transmission. Who's gonna save us now? Oh, hello there. I'm glad you're here. I've been... Hey, have we met before? Because I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
Huh. Well, guess the old think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a distress call to the Galactic Rangers ever since Drax's forces showed up.
This entire region is overrun with Blargian dropships. We need to get you out of here.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Well, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those Blarg soldiers. Here you go.
Oh, hello there. I'm Alonzo Drek, chairman of Drek Industries. Many of you may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends. Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news? They don't know we're coming! So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you!
Drek Industries is not working for you.
I see you're having a little transportation trouble. Why don't I meet you by your ship? We'll get you squared away and ready to fly. Geronimo!
Did that guy just slide down a sewer pipe? Well, it does look like the fastest way down. Let's give it a shot. That was awesome. Want to do it again?
Oh, looks like Mayor Buckwash is in trouble. We'll fix your ship in a bit, but right now he needs your help.
I got an idea. How about a pyrocitor upgrade? You see something you like? It's locked and loaded.
Whoa, that is a lot of bad guys.
Ooh, darn Blarg. Shame on him invading a helpless, peaceful planet. You're doing great.
Man, you got a lot of bolts. But get rid of some of them and buy a proton drum from me.
That's a Cora Verilux statue. She's the youngest recruit ever to be selected for the Galactic Rangers. I doubt that's the last of them. Oh dear, more of them. That must be the mayor's ship.
This is a transmission for the Galactic Rangers. Please, assistance. This is Admiral Buckwash, mayor of the Toe-Blood crater of Novalis.
Mayor Buckwash will not last long without our help.
for sure.
We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Drek trying to kill you?
It's my nephew, Skid McMarks.
Wait, Skid McMarks, the pro hoverboarder?
He sent me this infobot from Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since. Here, take a look.
Hey, Uncle Blackwash! Skid McMarks here. You know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarks Sports Shack here on Iridia, and boy, is this been a trip. I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Blarg. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus. I don't think I was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematics!
Help! Someone! Call my agent! Call my publicist! Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me! I don't want to die!
Sounds like Skid McMarks is in trouble. We gotta get to Iridia.
Agreed. But we must first repair our ship.
Oh, you did it! Thanks for saving the sector, friend. Now come on back and we'll see about fixing that ship.
Attention, citizens. Your mayor is safe and sound. I was rescued by a furry hero and his robot friend. I will now resume regular office hours, which is every third Tuesday from 10 to 10:30.
And so, Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of the plumber. Little did they know they would soon come so close to greatness, they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine. Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now promise me you'll get that infobot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
Not only could they set their new destination, each planet came annotated with fun things to do, courtesy of the Freeloaders Galactic Almanac.
We'd better get to Kerwan and warn the Rangers. Let's see if we can help out Skid McMarks.
We're too late. The invasion has started. Scan the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
Attention, all units! The Hall of Heroes is under attack. Repeat, enemy ships are now in the central district of Aliro City. Galactic Rangers are under heavy fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Blarg transport closing in fast. Brace for Warbot reinforcements, Rangers. All civilians, evacuate the area.
We must assist the Galactic Rangers, activating weapons systems. Weapons online. You may now attack the transport. Ratchet, now might be a good time to test those weapons systems.
Captain, have an unidentified ship providing assistance. Transport down!
Yeah!
Whoever you are, thank you. More transports! Those transports are dropping off warbots all over the city.
Not on my watch. Lark transport down.
He took out another ship.
Whoever's doing heroic things up there, this is our turf.
No offense.
Another transport down.
It appears there are only 3 ships left.
Ship repaired.
Yeah, another one down.
Just 2 more ships.
Yes, we're on a roll.
1 ship left.
That's the last of them.
Thanks, guys. Looks like you got all the transports. But we still gotta take out that warship.
The warbot's armor is made of a raritanium alloy. If we could propel a warbot at the ship with sufficient velocity, I believe it would penetrate the hull.
Awesome. How do we do that?
Your weapon package includes a mag booster. I am rewriting the software to isolate the warbot's armor. Ah, there. You should now be able to pick up warbots using the mag booster.
Okay, let's try this out. Mag booster.
There should be some warbots nearby. You can now pick them up and pull them toward the warship. There is enough power to pick up more warbots. Warbots attached.
We can pick up a few more. Gotta make another pass.
Warning.
Oh, that's not good.
Warning.
It appears we can repair our ship with the nanotech those Blarg saucers leave behind. Oh dear. We need to repair the ship.
Some of those saucers have nanotech. Shoot them if your ship needs repair.
We have enough power for a few more warbots if you make another pass.
Release!
Our ship is damaged. We may obtain nanotech from attacking the smaller saucers.
See ya! Boom!
Holy cow! That was awesome!
Well done, Ratchet.
Haha! 1 in a million! Let's do it again.
Ship repaired. Ship repaired. Ship repaired.
Got him. Now let's send them back to where they came from. Locking on. Now! Activate mag booster. Warbot's in tow. Now let's head toward that warship.
There is enough power to pick up more warbots.
Release warbots! Ha!
Whatever you're doing, it's working. Impressive. But my perseverance will defeat these warbots. Eventually.
Hit it!
warbots successfully magnetized. Setting course for Blarg warship.
Activate mag booster.
There is enough power to pick up more warbots.
Now! Warship down. We did it!
Way to go, whoever you are!
All right, everyone, let's give these heroes some breathing room. I'm happy to field all questions on their behalf.
Dallas Wanamaker here. Does this mean you'll be asking these two heroes to join the Rangers?
Say what now? I don't see why not. And that is how dumb luck helped a rookie Lombax take out a Blargian warship.
That wasn't no dumb luck. He and that robot made a great pair.
That's enough out of you, Solitary Bill. Sheesh, you give a guy your pudding cup once, and then you can never get rid of him.
So, what happened next?
Well, Drek didn't take too kindly to having his plan ruined by a Lombax and his robot pal, so he sent Blargian mercenaries to take them out.
Clank, look out! You all right, pal?
All systems operational, but we should get back to the Hall of Heroes.
Hey, Ratchet, where'd you go? We're supposed to start your training in a few minutes.
Sorry, Brax. Clank and I ran into a bit of, ship trouble. Looks like there's still a few Blarg in the city.